To initiate a refund on Vinted, start by accessing the website through a web browser. Once on the site, you'll see various options, including a catalog or search bar, inbox, notifications, favorites list, and login and sign up buttons. To access your account, click on the login button. Upon logging in, you'll have access to your profile, settings, personalization, balance, orders, donations, and logout options. If you need to give a refund, for example, if an item you sold arrives incomplete or with problems, you can directly ask the buyer to return the item and provide a refund without involving a special process. Alternatively, you can request the item back and then issue a refund. This approach allows you to resolve the issue without the buyer needing to contact customer support or report problems with the item. By handling refunds in this way, you can streamline the process and make it easier for both parties.